I consider myself a pretty rational person. I don't believe in too many, big conspiracy theories or anything like that. And that makes me less interesting than people who have these very outlandish beliefs because I look at them and judge them very hard. So, I'm gonna fix that by making a robot read me conspiracies constantly, so it brainwashes me into believing them. Let's put on our conspiracy theory tinfoil hat things, and let's continue. I do believe in one conspiracy theory very wholeheartedly though. If you don't subscribe to this YouTube channel right now, the feds are gonna put you on a watch list. And you don't want to be on their watch list, trust me. You may be asking, how do we get these conspiracies? Well, the answer is Reddit, because there's a lot of weird people on Reddit who really like conspiracies, so we are just scraping all these conspiracies and we're playing it through this Google Home using a text-to-speech engine. You ready? You want to start this? I'm gonna have to censor so much of this and cut it out because they're very bad.
Epstein death certificate discrepancies plus other interesting coincidences. I come with proof. Death certificates. A few days I posted
Wait, Epstein didn't kill himself?
With the post. How come
That's crazy.
have the...
You can actually get the code in the description if you want to run it yourself for some reason, if you want to become a conspiracy theorist.
Certificate. My thought.
What is this person rambling about? This is a very long conspiracy theory. It's still going. It's been like 4 minutes, man. I don't want to listen to this conspiracy theory anymore.
I know how comforting it is to ascribe all bad things in this world to an infinitely powerful cabal of satanic goons who control everything.
What is he talking about? Or she, I don't know.
And I mean everything. Comes down to money and keeping the masses fighting each other to distract from the further taxes for the rich. Or Bush fear-mongering terrorism in the wake of 9/11, then invading a country.
I think I've had enough of this horrible bot right here. I have suffered a lot through these conspiracy theories. I do not want to listen to any more of these. I'll be honest, I don't think I've changed any of my opinions, so I think it's time to turn it off. I've turned off the script now, and now I can safely remove my tinfoil hat. Thank you for watching.